Right, so here's the final stage. You use your PoolKote. You need 3 coats to build up your thickness, but let's start with our first coat. I'm going to brush it. You can roller it or you can spray it onto your surface. Now, as I say, I'm not going to be painting the rocks, but where I did paint it, by the way, you can see the difference here where I finished off with a concoat. It's soaked into the substrate and it's dried. Here where I put a little bit on, you can see the difference between there and there. The sealer soaks into the substrate and gives it an absolute clear and beautiful finish. So, working now with PoolKote. This is a polyurethane coating, a PUD, polyurethane dispersion. It's water-based. Wash your brush with water. It's VOC compliant or free, and you get a really good coverage, 9 to 10 square meters to a liter once you've put on the primer coat, because the primer coat then stops the absorption of the expensive PoolKote, and it also creates a wonderful adhesive layer for PoolKote. So by the time you've put on 3 coats of PoolKote, you're good to go. You leave it for 7 days before you fill up the pool, and that's that.